Hello students, today we are going to learn about the grammatical term adverbs. From the 9th standards textbook, I have taken this sentence. I am going to read it, listen it carefully. They had once taken Tommy's teacher away for nearly a month because the history sector had blanked out completely. This is the sentence. In this sentence, the word completely is used. The word complete is an adjective. When you add ly to it, it becomes an adverb. When you add ly to that adjective, you can get adverb. What is adverb? Then adverb, we are going to learn about these adverbs. An adverb is a word that modifies or gives us more information about a verb in a sentence. Okay. For example, she is singing a song. This is a sentence. She is singing a song. Then second sentence is she is singing a song loudly. She is singing a song loudly. And here we use adverb loudly, which is modified from the adjective loud. Use ly suffix to it. Okay. The adverb loudly in the second sentence modifies the verb sing by giving us more information about how the song is sung, or the song is sung with a loud voice. Such a word is called an adverb. So there are so many examples of adverbs. Adjective slow, if you add suffix ly to it, it becomes slowly, then rapidly, clumsily, then badly, diligently, warmly. So you can add ly to adjective and you can make adverb with that word. Here you have to remember an adverb describes action. You can form adverbs by adding ly to adjectives. Okay, but here you have to remember a spelling note for that. When an adjective ends in y, adjective ends in y, the y changes to I. The y changes to I when you add ly to form an adverb. Means if, for example, angry, okay, angry, and its adjective is angrily. Angry, it ends with y, and you have to transform it in I. The spelling becomes angrily, angrilly. Okay. Likewise, this adverb, I am going to proceed further about adverbs modify a verb by giving us information about some aspects of a verb. Some aspects of a verb. First aspect is how is an action occurs, where is an action occurs, when is an action occurs, how often is that action occurs. Depending on these aspects, we have learned before when, how, where, and how often. There are these modifies, there are some types of adverbs we can get here. These types of adverbs are adverb of manner, then adverb of place, then adverb of time, and adverb of frequency. So remember, there are 4 types of adverbs. First is adverb of manner, then second is adverb of place, third is adverb of time, and fourth is adverb of frequency. Now let's discuss about these four types. First is adverb of manner. These adverbs describes the manner of action or the way of the occurrence in an actions. How the action takes place. They describes the manner of that action. Means happily, sadly, sympathetically, harshly, carefully. These are examples of adverb of manner. How they describe how that action occurs in that tenses. Means they are living happily. How they live? Happily. She is driving carelessly. How she drives? Carelessly. So they are the adverbs of manner. Okay. Then the next type is adverb of place. These adverbs expresses the place of occurrence of an action. The place. For example, here, there, near, outside, inside, somewhere, bottom, top, in front of, likewise. Okay. They describes where the action is taking place. They are coming here. For example, they are coming here. He went downstairs. Likewise. This type is called as adverb of place. Okay. Then the next type is adverb of time. This type of adverbs states the time of occurrence of the action. How sharp, how it gives the sharp or rough idea of the occurrence of that action. Okay. For example, soon, late, today, tonight, early, likewise. You can say he will go to school tomorrow. Adverb of tomorrow is adverb of time. I will meet him. I will meet him afterwards. Afterwards. I met him yesterday. The adverb of time is yesterday. Okay. Likewise, you can use this type to show occurrence of the that adverb in that sentence. This is the type adverb of time. And the last type is adverb of frequency. These adverbs tells us about how often or how many times an action occurs. It gives idea about the frequency of that action. Frequency. How frequently it has taken place. For example, daily, weekly, most of the times, again and again, often. I meet him daily. Daily is adverb of frequency. They always help me, etc. These sentences, these words, these actions, I meet him daily. Daily in this sentence is adverb of frequency. They always help me. Always is the adverb of frequency. This is the last type of adverb of frequency. Okay. Now I am going to tell you examples of adverbs. Awfully, sorrowfully, completely, loftily, carefully, differently, quickly, nonchalantly, These are some of the examples: slowly, rapidly, sadly, happily. These all are examples of adverbs. Okay. Now, here are some examples uh, in your ninth standard book. You can use some adverbs in to fill in the blanks in this sentence. Okay, the report must be read dash dash so that performance can be improved. The report must be read carefully so that performance can be improved. At the interview, Samir answered our questions dash dash shrugging his shoulders. Now here Samir answered our questions shrugging his shoulders nonchalantly. Okay. We all behave dash dash when we are tired or hungry. What will be the adverb here? You have to find it. Now you have to find it, read more, learn more, and meet me in next video. Okay, goodbye. Thank you.